From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of complicated clocks that leave you and your loved ones feeling frustrated? Introducing the Robin Day Clock 2026 for seniors, the perfect solution for easy timekeeping. This king-size clock is a game-changer, with an incredibly simple setup process that will have you up and running in no time. The large display is clear and easy to read, with a sleek design that will complement any room. What's more, the packaging and manual are carefully designed to be discreet, so you can gift it to your loved ones without fear of embarrassing them. The Robin talking clock also features an internal backup option, which automatically resets itself to the right time and date in the event of a power failure, retaining all the information, including alarms and themes. You'll love the peace of mind that comes with knowing your clock will always be accurate. This popular clock has been purchased by countless customers who swear by its exceptional customer service, with the US-based support team ready to help with any concerns. Imagine being able to hear the time and date in a clear, crisp voice, or feeling the satisfaction of setting reminders and alarms with ease. The Robin Day Clock 2026 for seniors is a top-rated choice for seniors and caregivers alike, offering a reliable and easy-to-use solution for keeping track of time. Whether you're looking for a clock for yourself or a loved one, this is an excellent choice, and with its exceptional customer service, you can trust that you're in good hands. So why wait? Get your Robin Day Clock 2026 for seniors today and experience the difference for yourself. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you like the video.